Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a solution video where we're trying to create a program such that given a string input, we're going to output each letter of a string one by one. So let's start off with our input. Let's get a user input. Enter a string. Right now, user input is a string variable that holds a string value. Let's output each character one by one now using a for loop. So to construct a for loop, we're going to use a keyword for. We're going to create a iterating variable. This iterating variable represents each item in a sequence that we are iterating through using a for loop. So let's call this character because that's the variable that's going to represent each character in our user input. And we're going to use the keyword in to denote that this character is found in a sequence of user input. In this scenario, we don't need to use range function, or we don't need to use any special function because string is a sequence already, and we are allowed to iterate through it using a for loop. So on every iteration now, character, the variable character, is going to represent each character of the string starting from the beginning and all the way to the end until we run out of the items in the sequence. All right, here I'm going to go print character, and that is the end of our program. I'm just going to run this program to show you how it works. So if I were to enter a string, let's say hello. On the first iteration, H's character is H, then it becomes E, L, L, then O. So in total, there are 5 items in the sequence. Therefore, we're going to iterate 5 times. On each iteration, characters changing with the characters represented for each item in our string sequence. This is how we use a for loop to look at individual characters in a string. Thanks for watching. Stay classy.